Welcome to the first tutorial video of our mini-series about triggers. The first trigger that we are going to explore is abandoned cart. This feature allows you to send reminders to your customers that they have left some product in their shopping cart and so increase the probability of making a purchase. Let's create a new campaign. Firstly, we must select how long after the cart has been abandoned our trigger should send an email. So let's select 2 hours for our first trigger. Now, we need to create at least one step of your campaign. The more steps your campaign has, the more segmented your trigger can be. In the first part, we have 3 different settings. In cart value, we can select the lowest and highest value that the shopping cart must have in order to trigger an email. If you leave this setting unspecified, the lowest value will be considered anything above 0, and the max value will not have a limit. Anytime you can specify both or at least one of the value range. Next, there are products that the cart contains. You can specify our trigger to react only to some products from your database. You can use any combination of our product filters to make the product selection as specific as you wish. At last, there are audience filters, which you can use even more to specify your trigger requirements by selecting only a specific group of customers that can trigger an email. The more specific you will create these first steps, the more personalized can your communication be. The second part contains a basic email setup, such as subject and pre-header text, or a template selection. Don't forget that we have specific types of drag-and-drop templates for each one of our triggers. When you have everything set up, you can either create another step or activate your campaign. How often you will set up your triggers to be sent to your customers is completely up to you. Also, don't forget that the abandoned cart trigger has the highest priority in terms of sending. In that regard, it will be sent even if the customer has already received the newsletter that day. So, this would be everything to our first trigger. Next time, we will take a look at our next trigger called shopping intention. So until then, I wish you a great day. Bye.